In this video, we'll look at autoscaling Kafka with KEDA. Let's first look at how our cluster has been set up with KEDA and Kafka as part of a cluster blueprint. So in this cluster, we have a blueprint called KEDA version 2 of the blueprint, and let's look at what's inside it. And as you explore that blueprint, you notice that there is an add-on called KEDA, an add-on called Kafka that has been successfully deployed. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a producer which is going to produce more traffic, and KEDA will connect to the cluster and auto scale the consumer appropriately. Let's deploy the Kafka consumer first. So as we apply the Kafka consumer YAML file, and let's look at our deployments, we notice that we have one deployment ready. Now let's deploy the scaled object for KEDA. It's a custom resource. And as we deploy it on our cluster, and let's check if it's operational and everything is good. Now let's scale this the Kafka producer. So let's scale, let's first apply it, and then let's look at the deployments. And if you notice, our consumers now are matching the producer and consumer. Now let's scale up the producer and see what happens. So you're going to scale the deployment to 5 replicas, and now there's more producers. So let's now check what's happening here. As you notice here, the producer has been scaled up to 5, and the consumer is still at 1. And in a few seconds, you will see that more has been added, more capacity has been added, and that's pretty much it. Everything was done through KEDA. Now let's look at scaling down. Scaling down is very similar. So let's now scale down our replicas with the producer to 1. And in a few seconds, as you can see here, it is brought down to 1 each. Thank you.